I have a bunch of different string trimmers here, and there's a battery one, and there's 3 gas ones, and this is how to put a string on a string trimmer. This is a John Deere, and so this one goes on differently than, say, some string trimmers. So right here, we have the wind line this way, and we want to push it in here and pull it. And then there's another section right here where we want to kind of slide it in there. So there's 2 sections. Now we want to even the line out. So just kind of pull the line to get it kind of level. Okay. So now we take the line and we wind the line this way. And once we get near the end, you can see these little notches. We're going to take the string, and it's kind of windy today. We take the string and we put one in this notch right here, and we put one in this notch. So here we go. And that one came out. If we use a little bit bigger string, it might not pop out as easily, but some people might prefer heavier string, some people might prefer lighter string. And we slide the string in the holes. This is probably the most complicated part of the whole process. And this is for a John Deere Weedeater. And you make sure it's seated in there. And if you have extra, you may want to take something and kind of hold it like this, and then take something like this and snip it to have it more level. Thank you so much for watching. This is how to put string on a string trimmer.